What's up, my riders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I'm going to be doing some crochet braids, not even braids, just crocheting a crochet weave, you guys. And this hair is awesome. My customer tried some new hair, and she usually doesn't try new hair because when she does, it always ends up not so good. But this hair, let me tell you, what's the bomb, you guys. I'm gonna have to call her and ask her what the name of the hair was again, because I forgot. She told me, but I did forget. Anyway, with that being said, watch me crochet this hair in. Okay, my client, she got a deal on this hair. It was 3 bundles for I think $168, and the hair was good quality, so it was a good deal. However, if you have a larger head, then you need about 4. I'm not saying she had a big head or anything, because she really doesn't, but there wasn't a lot of hair on those bundles. So anytime you see those deals, always get 4 bundles, 4 or 5, however you need. Oh, and one more thing, I braid my customers' braids bigger because her hair is fine, and when I put the net on it, sometimes the crochets don't last because her hair grows fast and then it loosens up. So this time I did her braids a little bit thicker so that the net won't rise up as quick when her hair grows. And it worked really, really good, you guys. And mostly I put the hair on the net anyway. Some people attach it to the braids and some people don't. In certain places, I do attach it to the braids. But for real this time, I'm gonna watch me do my thing. Okay, my lords, I'm only going to do part of the back of the head. I'm not going to show me doing all of the head, and I might show doing part of another section, but for now, I'm just doing the back, and I'm still working with one bundle. Bundle number 2. You see how far bundle number 1 got us? And we have 3 bundles. I'm going to do all this part right here. The bundle number 2. I've done that part with the 2 bundles. Now all I have to do is this right here with the 3rd bundle. And I can make it happen, Captain. Yes. Okay, you guys, we did it with 3 packs. However, I had to space it out some. 3 packs is doable. But I think we highly recommend 4 packs, you guys. 4 packs for sure. And it'll be perfect. But right now, I'm getting ready to mousse it up. Wait, hold up. I found another piece that probably fell out my hand. No hair left behind. Well, my low riders, I am all done. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I appreciate you so much. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Go on and hit that subscribe button, okay? And after you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.